Our third principle is see the system. We need to understand deeply what actually produces the outcomes we observe. Our education aims today are much more ambitious than ever. We want to accomplish more learning for more varied groups of students. We're asking students to teach teachers to teach new content, personalize instruction, use technology, be skillful at integrating ELLs into their classrooms. New roles such as instructional and data coaches have emerged in new processes such as PLCs. These things represent the invisible complexity of education in our times. Today, the schools that our children go to bear only a passing resemblance to the schools of my youth. When we put contemporary schools, the processes in contemporary schools under a microscope, we can begin to work on the processes that people need to work on to improve the outcomes in schools. We can begin to see key problems otherwise that might be obscured from sight. In short, improvement means thinking about how organizations actually work. It means seeing how various people and the numerous processes they engage in interconnect to produce the outcomes that we get. Returning to the New Visions case, you might well ask, how is it that students get to their third and fourth years of high school and still not be acquiring the proper credits to graduate? The answer requires an understanding of the organizational structures of curricula in many different schools, differences in how advising and course registration processes operate, and the nature of the data systems that undergird all of this activity. Each domain became an essential target for change. The New Visions team recognized that in these cases, change must integrate smoothly with numerous and varied processes that work within each school. They understood that it was only this way that you could affect better outcomes in schools and manage their organizational complexity.